Hi everyone. Okay, this video for BS Nurse student who don't have Kannada or who don't know about Kannada. This video related to only English format. Okay, for the purpose of semester practical exams and results, I do one video in English format. Okay, so firstly questions is semester student all student are asked to me when will the practical exam to started. Okay, the answer is July 20 to August 15th. This is a tentative practical exam timetable. There is no official claims from RGHS, but it's almost to tentative date. Okay, your practical exam start. I already told that this July 20th itself. This schedules comes to the your principal email, and then your principal share to your WhatsApp group in your student group. Okay, or faculty group, and then they conduct your practical exam before RGHS give one terminated date. Okay, and before almost we tended to tell the one date August 15th. Okay, August 15th on the July 20 to August 15th. This between this time there will be more chance to be conducted practical exams. Okay, now the questions is when will the result. After the completion of practical exams only they announced your result, means August 15th onwards maybe announced your BS nursing. Not only BS nursing, along with the post basic BS nursing and MS nursing and BS nursing, three nursing exams are results are announced by the RGHS, but not in one single day, because of in our RGHS there is no have one server. Okay, they have taken some time because of the server problem. They announced different days of your result. Like example, one day announced MS nursing and another one day announced post basic BS nursing, and BS nursing 1 to 7 semester is there na, so that's why they announced maybe 1 to 3 days split up the semester. For example, first and second and third semester announced one day, or another day, fourth, fifth and sixth semester one day, and seventh semester and along with the yearly supplementary exams result also announced one day. Maybe around 2 to 3 days BS nursing result are announced after the August 15th onwards. Okay, now many students are asked how to write practical exams. Okay, that's why told every semester practical exam, just join our telegram group. In telegram group you can telegram channel, you get the all the case study, care plans and case presentation and health educations format of the pdfs. Okay, you can check the all the pdfs in the telegram channel. Many of the disease condition or many of the case presentation, more than 200 or more than 300 plus, you can get the pdfs for easier to write the practical examination. Okay, if you want the format of the practical examination of the BS nursing in RGHS, just put on the comment how to write the practical exam. Please make video. You can type in comment section. I will do definitely in the upcoming videos. Okay, so this is the main the summary of the video is. What is the summary of this video is practical examination conducted on this July 20 to August 15. It means around 20 to 25 days taken time, because of the seven semester is there, and along with the 7th semester also yearly supplementary student also is there. So take time, because it's need to time. Okay, it's need to time to RGHS. That's why that take the delay the result. And some student also asked in DM also, BS nursing per semester when sir, because of BS nursing per semester there is no practical exam. And they said that BS nursing announced per semester firstly, and then announced all the semester. This is not happen in our RGHS, because of nursing result announced at a time, because of RGHS have many more courses. Like example, MBBS is there and BDS is there, BMS is there, and also BPT, AHS. Okay, and along with some other schools also is there. So RGHS conduct one time nursing exams and announced the result also one time. Okay, this is the why the reason only. And also I already told the reason server also. Okay, server also in our RGHS there is no one server. That's the reason also our nursing result announced at a time all the semester, and all the supplementary yearly batch result also. Except per semester, all the student know about how to check the result, except per semester student. Okay, per semester student, because of there is no clarification and there is no information about how to check the result. Okay, in our RGHS there is a many website also along with association with the RGHS. Okay, but result website is different from RGHS. EMS portal is there for RGHS result. Every RGHS associations courses check in the EMS portal only. Okay, EMS portal is only for the RGHS result website. I will definitely inform you when the result is announced, and fixed date also announced by the RGHS official dates. I will definitely inform in the WhatsApp channel also. First join in the WhatsApp channel. All the practical related updates and also result updates and upcoming your jobs and recruitment and some university events also I will update in WhatsApp channels. Okay, continually I updated in WhatsApp channel, and many students also join already in the WhatsApp. Okay, many students means many student means more than 90 plus thousand student is there in WhatsApp channel. And also in the social media you can check in the Instagram also 76,000 plus followers also is there. So why the student are following our social medias means we are giving the proper update about the RGHS BS nursing updates. Okay, so anyway, if you get any information about your result and practical examination official circulars, I will share the WhatsApp channel and along with the Instagram pages also. Okay, just now join on the WhatsApp channel. I will update everything updates in the WhatsApp channel. Okay, if you want any other, okay, if you want any other update or any information you want, just put on the comment. Like example, how to check our answer sheet and how to evaluate the answer papers. Okay, and grace marks information and passing marks information. These are the type of your questions is there. Okay, I know every semester I will make I already make videos in the previous also. Okay, just go and search in the our channel. You can check everything. You can check every video. Sorry, you will get about your all the questions in the our channel. Just go and previously videos you can check listed of the BS nursing related topic of the nursing in Kannada YouTube channel. You will get everything and every update in the our nursing in Kannada YouTube channel. Okay, this is the end of the video, and please don't put on comment in funny way of our English way of the fluent, because of I am in very poor in vocabulary and fluent in English, and I understand your patience and cooperation, and please understand this is the first step to do in the English in the videos in the nursing in Kannada YouTube channel also. Okay, anyway, please join on the WhatsApp channel. You can get every updates in the WhatsApp channel. Thank you. Bye.